Hey everybody, it's David Bradley here over at richmansgym.com. Okay, it's time for a taste test. We're gonna do some taste testing right now. Taste test time. What are we taste testing? Well, what are we gonna make today? We are gonna make a raspberry mocha protein shake. Whoa, raspberry mocha protein shake. That's right, here's what we're gonna do. I got chocolate LiveGood Whey protein. I got LiveGood Super Reds, and we're gonna mix these two things together with some coconut milk and see how it tastes. Okay, so I don't know about you, but Fridays for me is a super busy day. Today's Friday, so Friday's one of my busiest days. I got a lot of different calls with clients. They're all backed up. I got about 15 minutes to get some nutrition in me so I can have energy to get through the rest of the day. I got my protein shaker, I got my coconut milk. I'm gonna put in about 16 ounces of coconut milk in here. Let's measure this thing out. Are you busy? Do you not have time to eat sometimes, but you know you need nutrition? This is a great meal replacement. So number one, I'm gonna go 2 scoops of LiveGood Whey protein. Now, this will be my first meal of the day. It's almost 1 o'clock in the afternoon. This is my break fast, because I do intermittent fasting. So I need to get protein in me, and I need to get protein in quick, and I need that protein to be easily digestible, which is what whey protein is. What I also like about LiveGood's whey protein is that they've also included colostrum in there, and like just look at what the bag says. It gives us everything we need to know. Fortified with digestive enzymes for maximum absorption. I need the protein in, and I need it in quick. 1 scoop gives me 20 grams. So I'm doing 2 scoops, so I got 40 grams of protein right now with a full, complete amino acid profile. Good for my muscles, because I'm 51 years old and I still work out like I'm in my 20s. Okay, then Super Reds. Super Reds has all kinds of good green reds in it, and some greens actually, believe it or not. But it also has a really good berry flavor. Now, for those of you that are going low carb, there's only 2 carbs in this, and there's only 2 carbs in the whey protein. And then if you look at the coconut milk, I got 1. So that's 5 carbs total. 4 grams of healthy fats in the coconut oil. Now, if I want to actually add a little bit of keto to this, what I can do, very simple, is I'm going to take a teaspoon. I'm going to do this right now. And this will actually add a little bit of sweetness to it. Yeah, love it. I'm going to take a teaspoon of MCT oil, and I'm going to drop it all in there. Okay, I love MCT oil. Not too much, though, because the stomach doesn't always agree with it, if you know what I'm saying. Don't overdo it on the MCT. But so that, what do we got? 2 scoops of whey protein. We got get a scoop of the reds in there. A lot of vitamins and minerals in the reds. So I'm gonna scoop in there. That gives me this nice little berry flavor. Now, boom. Take this, shake it up, just like Rick Ocasek. Rick Ocasek? How do you say it? Anyway, from the Cars, if you like 80s music. Shake it up. So we're shaking this bad boy up. That's easy. So I started this at what, 1? It's 12:55. So let's go. Super duper fast lunch, break fast, if you will. Cheers down the hatch. Oh, that's so good, right? You got that berry flavor that goes in there. You got the chocolate from the protein. The coconut milk adds a little bit of sweetness. The MCT oil also gives it just a little bit of a nice fatty vibe to it. So it's delicious. It's awesome. So here's to your good health. And if you need to get some of this for yourself, head over to richmansgym.com/livegood. Order what you need, right? This is now a staple for me. I also have the reds. It is also a staple for me, but I don't stop there, right? So I've got the super greens from LiveGood. I'll use the magnesium. And I also have their essential aminos. So like, this is a great company with a lot of high quality products at a better cost. It's a membership program, just kind of like Costco. So they've cut out the middleman. Their overhead is super duper low, so they can actually sell us products at a significantly discounted rate. So, but to get more on that, head over to richmansgym.com/livegood. I'm gonna finish my protein shake and get back to work. Thank you so much for watching. But Dave, I'm vegan. No problem, I got you handled. LiveGood has a complete plant-based protein. Pea protein, hemp protein, and it's fermented. So again, ease of digestion, and it's got a full spectrum of amino acids and a complete vitamin and mineral profile. Ideal meal replacement. Imagine taking this, mixing it with your reds, and a little bit of coconut milk, equally delicious. richmansgym.com/livegood. Thanks again.